Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in Discord with CarlBot. First, ensure CarlBot is on your server. Go to your server settings and find the Roles tab. Here, establish foundational roles for your community, assigning specific permissions like Manage Channels or Kick Members. Give each role a distinct name and color for easy identification. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your server effectively. Next, open your web browser and go to the CarlBot dashboard. After logging in and selecting your server, locate the Reaction Roles section. This is where you can set up messages where users react with an emoji to automatically receive a specific role. For instance, a user reacting with a game controller emoji could gain a gamer role, streamlining your server's role assignment process. When configuring your reaction role message, first pick the Discord channel where it will be posted. Then, carefully link each emoji to its respective role. For example, a microphone emoji could grant a voice chat user role. You can add up to 20 emojis per message, offering a wide range of choices. Personalize the message text to clearly instruct users on how to obtain roles. CarlBot offers advanced options beyond basic reaction roles. You can configure toggle roles, where reacting again removes the role, or unique roles, ensuring users can only have one role from a specific group. Consider using role groups to manage complex permission structures efficiently. These features provide immense flexibility, allowing you to create a highly organized and interactive Discord server experience for all your members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.